Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by creating the repository now, not later. Set visibility and invite collaborators with the correct access level. This prevents permission errors. Once done, add a README, license, and git ignore so everyone has context. Then clone the repo locally and run git config global user. Name and user. Email so your commits identify you. Make sure to enable branch protection rules if required. This keeps main safe while you begin feature work. You now follow an agreed workflow. Create a feature branch for each task and push it to origin. Open a pull request with a clear description, link any issue numbers, and assign reviewers so the review step is explicit. Once reviewers comment, address feedback with focused commits. Avoid mixing unrelated fixes. Make sure CI runs on the PR and green checks are required before merging. This prevents regressions. Finally, squash or rebase, as your team prefers to keep history tidy. You complete the cycle by merging only after approvals and passing CI. Choose squash to simplify history or merge commits to preserve context. Tag releases and update a changelog so stakeholders know what changed, then deploy from protected branches to avoid accidental pushes. If a conflict blocks merging, fetch origin, rebase your branch onto main, resolve conflicts locally, and run tests before pushing. If CI fails after merge, revert or hotfix quickly and communicate.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.